At the 1987 Tokyo Motor Show, Nissan unveiled 6 concepts, one of which was the Judo, a 2-seater concept car that largely went unnoticed. The Judo, measuring 157 inches long, 66 inches wide, and 62 inches tall, was comparable in size to a second-generation Golf but slightly taller. Its rugged design included body-colored bumpers, large fog lamps, a winch, and a full-size spare tire integrated into the rear fascia. The car's top was designed to slide backward, offering a modern interpretation of the T-top roof. The interior of the Judo was minimalistic, with all controls grouped on the center console, leaving the instrument panel bare except for 2 air vents. The car accommodated 2 passengers comfortably, with a cramped rear bench for 2 more on short trips. The Judo was powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 210 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This engine, also used in Nissan's Cedric and Gloria sedans, was paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and Nissan's advanced total traction engineering system for all-terrain all-wheel drive system. Despite its innovative design, the Judo never made it to production, remaining a one-off concept. However, its design influenced the Suzuki X90, which was introduced in 1995.